Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the line and reducing risk. Shut off supply and open a downstream valve to relieve pressure. Once done, you remove any visible debris so the tape edge is accessible. Next, use a small flat tool or fingernail to lift the tape edge, then grasp it with pliers while holding the fitting steady. This prevents twisting the joint and spreading tape into threads, which would make removal harder. You peel slowly, keeping the angle shallow to discourage tearing. Pull toward the pipe end so the tape comes off in long strips. If pieces remain, apply a small amount of solvent or warm soapy water to soften the adhesive and let it sit for a minute. Then, once softened, brush with a brass or nylon brush along the thread spiral to dislodge residue. This preserves thread profile and ensures a clean sealing surface for reassembly. You finish by thoroughly drying threads and visually inspecting for damage. Small burrs can be removed with a fine file so new tape seats evenly. Once clean, apply fresh tape clockwise for 3 to 5 tight turns, press it into the thread spiral, and assemble. This prevents leaks and cross-threading. If tape sticks or leaves bits, heat the fitting gently or reapply solvent and use the brush. Patience here avoids forcing tools that could damage threads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.